wearing hoops for over 10 years, ever since I've got my nose pierced. I think it's time for a change. Bought this stud today and I think I'm gonna change it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like it. This one is 18 karats gold. I'm gonna try and take my hoop off first. Give me a second. The hoop is off. Let's put this on. I feel like it's a little bit big, but they didn't have anything smaller. Hold on, let me put it on. I personally do not like it, but let me know what you guys think. It's not my vibe. I don't know. It is not my vibe, but this is how it looks. Hoop or stud? Let me know in the comments. What do you prefer on me? A lot of you guys asked me for my base routine in my last video, so let's do my base together. Primer, I'm going with my Milk Pore Eclipse Primer because I do get oily around my T-zone, so this helps with the oil production. Pillow Talk by Charlotte Tilbury Gloss. It is a plumping gloss, so I've been loving to prep my lips with this. Currently in Mauritius right now, and the two complexion product that I brought with me, the first one is the Easy Blur by Huda Beauty. This will give you a filter finish, and I also have the Super Stay Maybelline Skin Tint. First, I like to go with the Easy Blur by Huda Beauty. This is a little too warm for my skin, that's why I have to mix the skin tint. I'm gonna go with the Maybelline Skin Tint and add a little bit, blending this with a beauty blender. For concealer, I brought the Huda Beauty Full Filter. This is my ride or die concealer. Lately, I've been loving the Say Beauty Slip Tint. First, I'm gonna go with the Full Filter by Huda Beauty. I like to use the Slip Tint by Say Beauty just to highlight, setting my entire face with this Kosas powder. This will blur your skin out like crazy. If you have textured skin, I definitely recommend trying this Kosas powder. It's been life-changing. Bronzer powder, this is the only one traveling with me. It's my Sephora collection. I don't know why people don't talk about this because I've been obsessed with this powder ever since I've gotten my hands on it. It's a powder formula, but it does not feel like a powder on the skin. It sticks to the skin and gives the most beautiful glow. Powder blush, I've been loving this Kosas blush. This is in the shade Thrill. I mean, I don't have to tell you why. Look how beautiful it looks on the skin, and it has the most subtle glow to it. The beauty powder is a must. I like to kind of highlight. I'm gonna set my entire face with the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. Basically drench your face. For mascara, I'm going with my Telescopic Lift by L'Oreal. Combo is done and I filmed it for you guys. I will be posting it separately. Now I'm gonna go with my Too Faced Fluff and Hold to set my brows. This is the final look. This is the same exact makeup I was wearing in the previous video. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I absolutely love the base. This will last me until I take it off. I've been keeping my makeup on for over 12 hours ever since I've been here, and I've never had to touch up or anything. Let me know what you guys think. It's eyeliner for beginners. Let's go. Many of you guys already know that I'm not a makeup artist. Everything that you see on my page, I taught myself how to do. First thing that I ever taught myself was how to do eyeliner. I'm sure you can't tell, but I created this liner using a black eyeshadow. When I started practicing my eyeliner back in the days, I found working with eyeshadow was the easiest and less messy. Eyeshadows, it's very easy for you to wipe off if you mess up anything compared to a liquid liner that gets very messy, and crayons, they're just messier. What's important is that you invest in a good eyeliner brush. I've used numerous eyeliner brushes, but nothing compares to this one. It's my Sephora collection, and it is the Pro Liner 22 brush. Now you can by all means use tape to get that perfect wing. I'm pretty sure we all have seen the tape hack. I've done it so many times for you guys. I just want to show you guys how I do it freestyle. Grab some product on your brush. Make sure you tap off the excess because you do not want any fallouts. We're doing a baby wing, so I'm going to place the brush right here and drag. No, you know, this is the hardest part. From here on, it is super easy. Have some more product on the brush. You're gonna go very close to your lash line and you are going to dab like that. Now, as you see, I stopped it right here because I just wanted a small baby wing, not a full liner. Today, I'm going to use the same technique if you wanted to go all the way to the inner corner. Basically, just stamping. Now, if you cannot get your inner wing to look like that, I will show you how to do that. This has to be the most asked question on my page. How do you get your inner corner to look like this? We're using the same technique. We're just going to change the direction of the brush. I held my brush like this when I did the outer wing. Now, for the inner corner, we're going to slightly switch to the other side. Now, this is your inner corner. You want to go right in the middle of the C shape, which for me would be right here. So I'm gonna place my brush right here and stamp. It's that easy. Now, let me show you how I get the end to look like this. This one looks flawless. Pretty sure you've seen this hack too, but you're just gonna use your nail and pull. Look at that. I'm gonna finish off with a generous coat of your favorite mascara, and this is it. Anyway, let me know if this was helpful. If not, I'll try again for you guys.